Mercedes is putting out some of the most aggressive and creative programs that I have ever seen, and I've been with the brand for 15 years. They're especially focused this month on financing through Mercedes-Benz Financial, which is something historically that they haven't done a lot of. They've typically been a very high lease penetration company, which just means that the majority of clients buying new cars will lease them. So lease programs are very strong as well, but it's interesting to see such a focus on the special rates this month. So we're going to do this all in one take. I'm just going to walk around the lot and I'm going to point some things out to you. My name is Doug Horner. I work at Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted here in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm the general sales manager and I make content for the automotive community, for car salespeople, for car enthusiasts, for car buyers. And my goal has always been to show you that there are transparent dealers out there. There are dealers that can make it easy to buy a car, fun, enjoyable even, and it doesn't have to be this process where you feel like you're getting taken. Now, unfortunately, I don't speak for every dealer in the country, right? I only speak for us, but we are a volume dealer, which means that we have to be efficient, we have to be aggressive, we have to work all over the country because I love Cleveland, Ohio, and I love all my Clevelanders, but there's only so many people that are gonna buy luxury cars here in the Cleveland, Ohio market, so we have to open ourselves up to a nationwide audience, and that is what we've done for many years, but now in the last year that I've been making content even more so. So let me show you some of what we got here. And here's what's so interesting for the month of September. On all remaining 2025 models, with the exception of the G-Wagons, which of course, there is 1.99% financing available. So that means cars like this, the CLA. Here's CLA, this is our entry-level sedan. It really is a four-door coupe is what we call it. That just means that it has the roofline of a coupe, but it has four-door functionality like a sedan. Here is the GLA. This would be our entry-level SUV. Now the GLA is kind of like a hatchback on stilts. If you like that European hatch look, this is as close as you're going to get in the Mercedes-Benz family here, as we don't have the A-Class hatchback, but we do have the GLA, and GL in Mercedes-Benz nomenclature is what you'll find at the beginning of every SUV. Now, right next to it is a GLA with the AMG line. Now, all of these qualify for 1.99% financing for 36 months and 3.99% financing for 72 months. I'm sorry, for 60 months and 4.99% financing for 72 months. So here are some GLAs here. This one is a GLA 35, so that's the AMG variant. You can tell an AMG variant by looking at those vertical slats in the grille. We call that the AMG grille or the Panamericana grille. All of those qualify. Now, here is a new S-Class, it's a 2026, so that doesn't get special financing, but Sonner and Brown metallic, beautiful. That's the first S-Class I've seen in that color. But here is a 2025 E-Class, also qualifies for that 199, 399, 499 financing split. Here are EQEs. These are our electric SUVs. Now these do qualify for those special rates as well. However, don't forget that September is the last month to capture the lease cash incentives before those go away on September 30th. That is the federal tax credit that's going away. So you could finance these. I would not recommend it. It's much safer to lease them because Americans have still been a bit apprehensive about EQs or EVs, electric vehicles in general. Now, here's a 2026 SL43. No special financing there, but it is a beautiful car and at least fun to show it to you. But any 25 SLs that are out there would qualify for those rates that we just mentioned. Here are some more S-Classes. Here are a couple of G580s. Now these don't qualify for special financing, but they do have really great lease programs. Remember, again, same thing here. Last month to get that lease cash. So if you're looking for a G580 lease, now is the time. So here is our row of CLEs. That's a CLE 300 there, and then as you can see by the vertical lines in the grille, we move into our CLE 53s. These all qualify for that 199 financing for 36 months, as mentioned before. They also have good lease programs, the 25 specifically, and we do still have a few left. This has probably been the hottest car all year, and Mercedes-Benz really deserves a lot of credit for making an absolutely stunning and beautiful home run of a car. Really a big fan of the CLE. Now, we have a GLC plug-in hybrid right here. GLC plug-in hybrids, they would qualify for that special financing. They also qualify for those lease cash programs. And here is another GLC 350 that has the AMG line in it. You can tell that by the studded Mercedes-Benz grille. So excellent financing options there. And then we move into GLSs. We have a few of those here. Now, the GLSs are unique because they have the 1.99% financing all the way up to 60 months. So they are the only model that gets the 1.99% extended all the way to 60 months, or 3.99% financing for 72 months. So they get a little bit of extra love over the remaining 2025 models, which have the 199, 399, 499. GLSs are our largest SUV. This is our only standard 3-row SUV. They come in a 6-passenger configuration with captain's chairs, or a 7-passenger configuration with a bench seat in the middle. These are one of my favorite SUVs. Big fan of the GLS. You can see right next to each other here, we have one with the AMG line. You can tell that very easily by the body colored fender flares, whereas on a non-AMG line, you will have the more rugged plastic off-road look here, and you can also see that the AMG line is a bit flared out over the rear wheels, especially even the front ones. Now we have GLEs. The GLE is our midsize SUV, and this is considered the Goldilocks SUV for a lot of people. And the reason I call it that is that it's just the right size for many people. Young families or people that are maybe downsizing from much larger vehicles like Suburbans or Yukons, etc. Here we have GLE coupes. This is a GLE 450 coupe. This is a newer model, beautiful, beautiful. And more GLEs here. These all qualify for that 1.99% financing for 36 months. And in the case of 2026 models, they get special financing of $299, $399, and $499. That is the 36 to 48 and 60 month breakdown for those 2026 models. And so that is the only 2026 model with special financing as well. But just really, really strong program. So the GLE is a great vehicle for families of 2 or 3 kids, depending on the age. Great trunk space, very easy to drive, very comfortable. Here's another GLC there with the AMG line, beautiful Starling blue metallic. Some more GLCs. This is our #1 selling SUV now. This is kind of a smaller midsize, and the GLC is great for people that maybe have very young families, or people that are really just downsizing, empty nesters, or people that just want an SUV. This is a very luxurious option, very fun. Right behind it is a GLC coupe. That is the fun, sporty variant of the GLC. Now, here's what's so fun, is that special financing from Mercedes-Benz is open to all remaining 2025 models. So there is no exclusions other than the G-Class, which means that niche specialty models like a GLC 300 coupe, which would typically be excluded from any fun programs, is not excluded. So just a really, really excellent program. Now, these cars that you see wrapped up here, these are 2026s, but while we're walking past them, just so you can see, that is our S-Class, that is our flagship sedan. If you are looking for the most luxurious sedan in the world, this is where you would look. And they are absolutely a joy to drive. Some GLSs and GLEs right over here. These are all 2026 models. There's a GLC, but just fun to always take a look at what is new and exciting in stock. So the big takeaway, as we'll do another sweep up to the front here, and I told you we would do this all in one shot. We're not going to edit any of this, which might work out great, it might not, but every model, if it's a remaining 2025, is in on the fun, including things like AMGs and coupe variants. So GLE coupes, for example, those are cars that almost always get left out of the fun. Well, not this time. So as we walk up here, you can see on our front pad, we have a GLC 43. Look at the vertical lines in the grille there. There's another GLC 43 right next to it. We also have a beautiful Cardinal Red GLE 53. That's a 2025, so that qualifies for the special financing. And right next to that is a GLE 53 Coupe. So notice SUV, Coupe. You can see that the roofline is very tapered in the back, but from the front you have very similar looking vehicles. That is our 2024 Demo GT63. That is a fantastic opportunity, almost no miles on that, just a few hundred. There is our Sun Yellow CLE 53 Coupe. That is an all new color for the CLE 53 this year. Beautiful. There's a hot Vautour Maybach. That's a very special edition car, one of only a few that ever were imported to the United States. And then up on our front pad, we have some GLE 63s, some S63s, some GLC 63s. Actually, this is a GLE 63S here, but any of these models, if they're 2025s, would qualify for that special financing. And here is a C63, really awesome car. And then another CLE 53 here, a CLA 45, and a GT 53. These are some of our performance cars here, the GT being a four-door performance coupe, the CLA being our entry-level car in its hottest form, and then we have a 2025 silver GT 53 here. And again, because it's a 2025, it does qualify for that special financing. So hopefully you get an idea of some of the model lineup that Mercedes-Benz offers. There's really something for everyone with this brand. My apologies for that lawnmower that is extremely loud, but the key takeaway here is that if you're the kind of person who buys their car and likes to keep them for a long time, or you just feel more comfortable buying, then Mercedes-Benz Financial is really stepping up in a big way this month. And if you prefer to lease, just about everything has better lease programs this month than it did a month ago. Just about everything, isn't that right, Joe? Just about everything. So it's very exciting because Mercedes-Benz wants to take down BMW, right? That's word on the street. BMW has been selling a lot of cars in the last several years. Mercedes-Benz says no more of that, which means you gotta really up your game. And if that's what they're doing, I'm here for it. So hopefully you learned something new today, and there might be a model that is of appeal to you. So whether it's a 25 or a 26, the programs are as good as they've ever been.